Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investments on Trading 212 is one of the easiest ways to gain exposure to hundreds of major US companies through a single investment. Instead of selecting individual stocks, you can buy an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 and invest directly from the Trading 212 app or web platform. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Trading 212 in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open a Trading 212 account. Like if you don't already have an account, create a Trading 212 invest account. Complete identity verification, personal information. So account setup. Once approved, you will gain access to the Trading 212 platform. So an investment account is required before buying ETFs. So now I want you to deposit funds like before investing. Add money to your Trading 212 account. So tap menu, deposit funds, select your payments method, enter the amount you want to invest, and then confirm the deposit. Okay, so as you can see here from these pictures, okay, so just follow the steps and everything will be good. As you can see here, picture by picture, you can stop and look at the pictures. Search for an S&P 500 ETF. So just use the search bar and look for VO, VUSA, EV, IVV, SPY. So for many non-US investors, VUSA is commonly available. Open the ETF page, tap the ETF you want, review its charts, holdings, and information, and tap buy, and then enter your investment amount. Choose value shares, enter amount you want to invest. Fractional shares allow investing with small amounts, and that's it, guys. Confirm the purchase, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.